How to unclog a tub drain with standing water in less than 2 minutes. First step, remove the drain plug. If you can't do it by hand, you may need a couple pairs of pliers to remove this. Step 2, inspect the crossbars. If you see hair there, remove the hair with a pair of needle nose pliers or a zip-it drain cleaning tool. If the crossbars are clear and your bathtub still isn't draining, move on to step 3. Remove the overflow plate. This is normally held in by one screw. A lot of times I see this is a flathead screw or a Phillips head screw. Step 4. Grab a rag, get it wet, and then shove it into the overflow hole. Step 5. Grab a sink plunger. The plunger should be flat as shown as the one I'm using. And just plunge a couple of times. Up, down, start slow. You can go fast. You'll get the hang of it. And as you can see right here, we are starting to make the swirly going down the whirlpool, and this drain is now unclogged. Step 6. Enjoy taking showers without standing in standing water.